This thing is creepy. One time he just turned the wheels on me and I almost got crushed by it. This is not cool, Thomas.
Let's see if Noah can start it. One minute.
What?
1 minute.
Shut up.
It's been 1 minute.
Thomas. That was the first time I started this thing. It's amazing. Look at all that smoke, dude. It's like freaking dust cloud up there. Look at that shit. I got it, still smoke. Hey, that's called the bee's nest because there's always bees in here. Jesus Christ, it's still smoking, man. This thing is cold. Damn it. Oh, that's a lot. Guys, all you guys Ford people out here, this is a New Holland, just letting you know, and it sucks. John Deere's better. When you see watch this. Oh God! Scared the crap out of you, didn't I? Closing in on you, Thomas. I'm closing in. I'm closing in. Right there, you forward right there. Alright, I think I'll let it shut down now. That was fun, now get out. That was creepy, man.